Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the new lecture number 12, 10th class chemistry. Chapter name is acid, base and salt. Today I am here to deliver the lecture pH scale. What is pH and what is pOH? What is autoionization of water? Concentration of hydrogen ions in pure water is for the basis for the pH scale. What is the base for pH scale? Concentration of hydrogen ions H positive in pure water is known as pH scale. What do you know about water? Water is a weak electrolyte because it ionizes very slightly into ions in a process called autoionization or self-ionization. It changes into its ions H2O reversible reaction H positive plus OH negative. Water ionizes into hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Equilibrium constant expression for this reaction is, you can write the equilibrium constant expression because you have learned the full chapter first equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. You can write Kc relation, the product of molar concentration of the products to the product of molar concentration of reactants. Kc is equal to product of molar concentration of products H positive hydroxyl ions into hydrogen ions into hydroxyl ions to the molar concentration of reactants, and here in this reaction reactant is water H2O. As concentration of water H2O is almost constant, the above reaction can be written as Kc into molar concentration of H2O is equal to product of molar concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Kc into H2O is known as ionic product constant of water and it can be written as Kw. Now Kw is equal to product of molar concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Its value is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. It is calculated value. It can be changed with the change in temperature. When temperature changes, the ionic product constant of water changes. As we know, one molecule of water produces one hydrogen ion and one hydroxyl ion on dissociation. So both are equal because one molecule of water produces one hydrogen ion and one hydroxyl ion. H positive is equal to OH negative. H positive is equal to square root the value of Kw 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14. By taking square root on both sides, we can get value of hydrogen ions 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 mole at 25 degrees Celsius. Because 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 is the value for product of hydroxyl and hydrogen ions. So value of hydrogen ions at 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 mole. Now, by changing this negative value, we will take logarithm. It is taking the common logarithm of the figure and multiplying it with minus 1. P before symbol means negative logarithm of the symbol. If we will write P before H, then it means this is the negative log of hydrogen ions, and when P is written before OH hydroxyl ions, then it means that negative log of hydroxyl ions. Now by putting values, pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ions. We can write the value of hydrogen ions 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 because it is calculated at 25 degrees Celsius. By using log, we can calculate the value. We can solve this relation. pH is equal to 7. Similarly, pOH is equal to 7 because concentration of hydroxyl ions at 25 degrees Celsius is also 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7. pH value normally varies from 0 to 14. Therefore, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Value of pH is equal to 7 plus value of pOH is also 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now, the table shows the acidic and basic solution values, pH values. At 7, when pH is 7, then solution is neutral. pOH is 7, solution is neutral. And at different values, pH when increases 0 to 7, its acidity reduces and its basic medium increases. And pOH, when pOH is 0 to 7, then its basic medium decreases and acidic medium increases. The solution of the compound of pH 7 and pOH 7 is considered as neutral. Solution of pH less than 7 are acidic and more than 7 are basic. Now, since the pH scale is logarithmic, a solution of pH 1 has 10 times higher concentration of hydrogen ions than that of solution of pH 2. 100 times than that of pH 3. Low pH value means strong acid, while high pH value means a strong base solution. Now we can conclude that pH of a solution, neutral solution, is always 7. Acidic solutions have pH less than 7. From last table, we can conclude basic solutions have pH value greater than 7. And we have learned already that pH and pOH value ranges from 0 to 14. Now, uses of pH, where we can use pH. It is used to determine acidic or basic nature of the solution. Second, it is used to produce medicine, cultural, at microbiological particular concentration of hydrogen ions, because pH is equal to negative log of molar concentration of hydrogen ions. It is used to prepare solution of required concentration necessary for certain biological reactions. Now here are some examples of acidic, neutral and alkaline solutions. From this table you can prepare the different pH values of different solutions. Now my topic has been completed. Take care. Allah Hafiz.